Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will show you Xiaomi Watch S4 and Watch S4 Sport. There is not much difference between these smartwatches. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two watches come with 518 water grade and eSIM. Display features. They offer 1.43 inches AMOLED display and the same display features. Next, compare the battery features. Both two smartwatches come with up to 15 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. These smartwatches include GPS, Bluetooth and NFC. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.